Hey loves, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do a simple everyday beautiful makeup for beginners. Welcome back guys, and on today's video I will be taking you through a very easy simple everyday makeup. First off, you want to work on a clean canvas, okay, and here with me is the Blossom cleanser. Yeah, it's a makeup remover. It has vitamin C and it has a lot of product that is going to keep your skin not only clean but also hydrated, okay, and it brings all of that moisture. And then the next thing, I took my Zaron cosmetics moisturizer and serum. Now this product is affordable and these products are Nigerian brand products, meaning they are products you can find in almost all makeup stores in Nigeria. After applying that, I went in using this brush to also blend that properly into the face, and I went in with my moisturizer, and this is the elf moisturizer. Truth is that oftentimes makeup bookings are usually not booked early. Sometimes it's usually an emergency, and this is one of those ones that was an emergency. Okay, it wasn't really planned earlier on. And this is my beautiful sister, my younger brother, my younger cousin's wife, okay, and we live around the same neighborhood, so she actually wanted me to make her up this early. Okay, it was her baby's dedication service, so it was a Sunday morning, and man, 5 a.m. I just off the bed. She called. She was in my home studio. I have a home studio, okay. This money, we find the money everywhere. Now we walk everywhere and I walk. No vest for me a bit, so that's why I still have my pajamas on. Okay, so anyway, that's that for the explanation. Back to the main gist. This makeup is all about simple everyday makeup and not about my look, okay. And I deliberately intentionally wore my wristwatch. I like to work with time, and the time for our service was 7 a.m, okay. So I deliberately put on that wristwatch so that as I'm doing her makeup, I will be putting myself in check. That for the explanation of why I have a wristwatch on top of pajamas and on top air bonnets. You understand, Sha? No wahala. So next is primer. It's very important for you to know the skin type of your client, and it is even more important for you to know the primer to apply, because the skin type determines the primer. A oily skin deserves a mattifying primer, okay. A combination skin also deserves a mattifying primer. Just make sure you know the skin type you are working on before you start applying skin prep products on people's face, okay. V Beauty foundation is a perfect dupe for your NARS foundation. This is one of the most affordable Nigerian brand foundation that gives you value for your money. That is like your luxury foundation, and it's full coverage. You can actually build on the coverage. So I went in with these two shades. Now each time I first apply foundation, I don't know why the thing would be like say it's too bright, and for real life not be so it be all these lights and how they make the foundation they look. Because as I they look this video now, I can't do me like say why the thing they be like ojuju like this. But the truth is this was a perfect shade, like perfect shade. So it's time to blend. And then in makeup, I will always tell people do what works for you. Now one of the reasons why the title of this video is a simple makeup tutorial is also because you can see I'm using a foundation brush. If you are not new in this channel, if you be OG, you know, see this brush, me and this brush now 5 and 6 we sign contracts. This is the Y Glam Beauty Cosmetics foundation brush, okay. As I'm blending it, as you're looking at it, you are seeing that the foundation is actually sinking into her skin and is blending with her neck and her hand. That part of her hand you are seeing is actually her color. So sometimes because I know most times when people watch makeup video, they are like, oh, why the concealer is too much, why is the foundation too much. These professional lights that we usually turn on when filming, sometimes they have effects on these products. That's why. But you can see that now that I've perfectly and I'm done blending it. Share you see say a rhyme, a mash. And by the way guys, did you see the melt in this foundation? Check out her neck. her hand. Everything is properly blended. I get to even bleach her lip because her lip is not pink and is not too nude. So if you have a client that have a dark lip, just bleach her with the excesses of foundation on the brush. Just push in that product into the skin. See how that foundation that I initially applied, that is looking as if it's bright, see how it is. This thing, I don't know it with the English name, I just told her, I said do on, so that the brushes can go into those areas that are deep, because you don't want to be done with your foundation and it's looking as if that there is some space by the corner of the nose. I believe this simple method is going to help you if you are a beginner or even if you are a professional makeup artist. And if you know the English word for on, please drop it in the comment section. I'm open to learning. We learn every day. I don't mind. Let me know the right words, the right proper English words to say on. Next up is time for contour. And for contour, I went in with a shade darker. So I'm just trying to build a zygomatic bone. As you can see, this is my wifey face. The face full with flesh. She dey enjoy. So as the face full. So I'm just trying to build a contour on her face. So this makeup is also a simple makeup tutorial. Why not? Because some persons, to contour their face is very easy. Why? You are seeing the bony structure and the zygomatic bone. But for this particular client that her face is full, flesh, enjoyment round face, you need to build on the contour. You need to identify which area on the face to apply those contour, those dark shades of foundation. Now it's time for highlight, and for highlight I went in with my Ezekiel Cosmetic Concealer. Now I remember, even for the foundation contour, I went in with that same foundation that I used for her face. I went in with a darker shade. Now everything about this makeup so far are all Nigerian brand. They are all affordable. I'm just doing this so that you can see that it's not about using expensive products. You can also use our Nigerian brand products to get a beautiful, flawless face base makeup. Okay, and then even this brush, MK Beauty, it's a Nigerian brand. So I started from the inner corner and then I'm going to the outer corner. You can see how I'm trying to just uplift that part of her face, and I'm trying to create a structure over there. And then all you need to do is to tell your client to look up at the ceiling so that their eyes will be up, and you can blend under those eyes properly, and then blend, and see this makeup. This makeup was one of the fastest, because we cannot afford to go to church late, especially as you are dedicating baby. Dedicating baby to God doesn't mean you should go to church late. So we blend, let the blending continue, and she have a very beautiful skin. Her skin has not been tampered with. The layers of her skin are intact. Like, this is one skin that I actually really enjoy working on. It's just that this day was even going to be a very long day for me, because after our makeup application I need to attend the church service, and then before attending their reception party I had 2 makeup bookings that afternoon, one by 12 p.m. and one by 2 p.m. So I did all of those jobs. After this job I did 2 extra makeup around 12 p.m. and around 2 p.m. before attending a party. When I got to the dedication party of my cousin brother, man, I declare say I don't miss plenty things, because that day was a busy day and it was a Sunday. See, God in heaven will just be showing me mercy, because sometimes some of these bookings that are on Sundays, they are not so easy to ignore, because most of them are very important and are family members. If not, I usually do not take bookings Sundays. If I'm going to be taking any booking on Sunday morning or on Sundays, that means you need to tell me weeks and months ahead, so that I will know if it is the Sunday I can afford to come render services. Because this job that we're doing, if you are not careful, you get carried away that you won't even have time for God, you won't even have time for your family, your marriage, your children. Because Sunday after service, I usually take my kids out on a movie date, and it's family time. Sometimes if I don't even have the time to take them out, I just order popcorn and then we sit in my sitting room. I'll off the light and tell them, just try to imagine how a cinema look. So you see this sitting room, this your father's house. It's not your father's house. In the next 2 hours, just know this is a cinema. This television you are seeing is a cinema. So I will now increase the volume of the television. Okay, so it's not easy for me taking booking Sundays, because that's a day for my God, that's a day for my children, for myself to also rest from editing. And that's one of the days I post Sunday weekly 5 p.m. Every Sunday I drop juicy weekly videos. So Sundays are days I usually don't like to do much work, but then again, this is our makeup work. You not get break days. Anybody here call you midnight, say, hi, there's a party in town, please, I need your makeup service now. If you can't come over to my location, I'll be coming over to your location. That's why I have a studio in my house. So aside my main studio for trainings, I have a studio at home that I work from home, because I can't afford to just expose my home to everybody. So I have a studio that you work in and you get yourself all glammed up, okay? And then I've been blending. Of course, what I'm holding is called Beauty Blender, a blending sponge. Okay, and when you're doing this, your beauty blender has to be soft, it has to be damp, it has to be soaked with either a water or a setting spray. A setting spray help you to set all of those makeup in. See how this makeup is skin on skin. Simple. All our face, our skin, our hand, our neck, everything, our shoulder, everything is looking the same. I actually mix 2 shades of color, a pink and a facial pink. So I'm just applying a blush. Then I'm going to blend that, blend. You see? Now this is called your cheekbone. Yeah, the upper part of your cheek. Gone are those days where you will tell a client to smile because you want to apply blush. No. We know they do that one for you again. No, we already know where to put the blush. Now it's time for setting powder. Not everybody knows what a setting powder is, and then most times people ask the difference between baking and setting. If you want to know about that, let me know in the comment section. I'll give you a detailed video about baking and setting. I'm setting all the entire areas where I applied concealer initially. It was time for me to set using a Milani powder, and this Milani powder I used was in the shade medium. I applied this entire powder on the areas of her face. I applied the Milani powder on her face, and then I went in with my CoverGirl bronzer powder. I contoured her nose, and that's a shade darker. And then I went on a Zagamatic bone. I also contoured, snatched the face, and the entire process is simple and easy. Enjoy.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
That's it, guys. We've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed every bit. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye, guys. Mwah.